How to fix Terraria crashing on Steam. So first you will need to right click the game in your library and open up the properties tab or panel, and then go to the general tab, and in the launch options you want to add -dx11 like this, and then go to the installed files, click on verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is done, you can close Steam and open up a new browser tab, search for Redist, and click on the first Microsoft link. From here, you will need to scroll down to the second table and download the 86 version and the 64, both of them, and install them on your computer. Once you run these installers, it will basically install the redistributables and ask you to reboot your computer. You can also try to repair them if you have them already installed. Now, after the restart, you will need to check if you have the latest driver updates available for your GPU installed. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you will need to download and install NVIDIA app. Otherwise, you can use the AMD software to update your drivers. And the last thing you'll need to do is right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then you can launch the game again, and that should solve the crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.